Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will review the all-new 2023 Toyota Wigo G variant. Let's go! Alright, so for this 2023 Toyota Wigo, it has actually a head-turner stylish updated grille. So maganda na din yung ano niya, yung headlight at saka of course yung fog light meron ng DRL. And improve grille and bumper design. It has also a bigger dimension and improved seat adjustment, which means no one and nothing gets left behind. It's actually a keyless entry with smart entry. Naka-push start button, and of course it has 8-inch audio display. Now for the overall dimension in mm, so for the length it has 3,760 by 1,665, and then yung height niya is 1,515. Yung seating capacity nito is 5. Okay, same pa din doon sa typical na mga sedan. And then yung engine is 3-cylinder inline 12-valve dual overhead cam engine with variable valve timing, or the VVT. So for the engine displacement, 998cc or 1.0 liter engine displacement. And then for the maximum output, 67, and then maximum torque is 89. Fuel type gas, and then with capacity, full tank capacity of 36 liters. For the transmission, it has CVT and ventilated disc yung front wheel niya, and naka-drum yung rear portion. And 14-inch yung rim, alloy rim. And of course, it's very important to have the safety and security. Meron siyang ABS or anti-lock braking system, vehicle stability control, as well as the hill start assist control. So naka-shark fin na yung antenna. And kung mapapansin natin dito sa likod, ito lang yung parang hindi ko medyo nagustuhan, no, yung design ng rear lights, no, as compared to the previous model. So this is actually the G variant, and yung color po nito is yellow SE. No? So merong camera dito na nakalagay, naka-install, tapos sensors. So SE, by the way, according to the TMP, it means special effect. Okay, so that's based on my research, no? All right, so dito tayo sa driver side. So dito naka-plastic, naka-hard plastic, naka-all power yung windows, and of course adjustment ng side mirror. So naka-chrome yung handle dito, tapos para siyang parang same doon sa ano, sa i-review natin na Yaris Cross, no, na may parang line na accent. So dito parang sporty na yung dashboard niya. Ito din yung nagustuhan ko dito sa dashboard. So sa steering wheel meron control dito in which you can answer your phone via this button. And then yung design dito is somehow, yung design dito guys is somehow similar din doon sa other ano, naka push start button, and then meron ding mga controls dito sa air condition. Alright, so we have cup holders dito, dalawa. Okay, automatic transmission shifter. Okay, tapos yung aircon vents, and then yung dashboard, no, naka hard plastic, parang may ano, tapos yung lagay ng gamit. Alright, now meron ditong okay, socket, 220 volts na socket. So yung ano niya, yung handbrake is naka manual pa, lagayan ng cellphone or other belongings. So naka fabric, so hindi siya leather yung upuan. Alright, so yan. Okay, so yung center mirror. So by the way guys, makikita natin, no, dito sa side mirror, sa windshield, later ipapakita natin, meron siyang panoramic view, which is similar doon sa na-review natin na Yaris Cross, which I believe this is actually the new enhancement of this Toyota Wigo. So sa likod, naka-chrome yan, merong cup holder. So napansin ko lang dito medyo lumapad yung space, or nagiging mas spacious yung passenger side, especially on the second row. Okay? And then I have also observed na sa dashboard, parang na-design na din ni Toyota yung universal design, no? Katulad na yung 8-inch na audio display na somehow it's again true to all other variants also. Same doon sa nai-review natin na Toyota Yaris Cross. And dito sa likod, medyo maluwag din yung space dito, yung legroom. Ayan, as compared to the previous model, no? Yung ano ko lang dito, honest comment ko lang dito is parang hindi ko siya nagustuhan yung ilaw, no? Doon sa likod. Alright, so manual pa yung pag-open ng tailgate. Pero meron pa din ganito, no? Parang cover lang, no? Na design, which I believe also present din doon sa other model ng Toyota. Okay? Malawak din naman yung space dito. Medyo spacious din naman. Okay, so which I believe more or less meron siyang similarity yung space dito doon sa older models. Okay. Ayan. So meron pa ditong cover, guys, no? Okay, car cover. So manual lang yung pag-open ng ng tailgate. So this is actually the G variant. So more or less ito yung top of the line. Okay, of the all new, no, 2023 Toyota Wigo. So dito tayo sa passenger side. Alright, makikita din natin dito merong this is naka hard plastic, may cup holder, naka chrome. Alright, tapos typical din na adjuster ng seat, which is manual. And then of course, meron ditong aircon vents din sa passenger side, as well as the airbag, SRS airbag. Alright. Ayan. So, the good thing about this vehicle also, I believe, in which hindi na i-change ni Toyota is yung displacement ng engine, in which napaka save ng gas, no? Kasi meron lang siyang 998cc na engine displacement, and more or less powerful din naman yung engine. I mean yung hatak ng power, no, for this Wigo. So the good thing here is updated na din yung yung mga technology. Meron na din siyang spoiler sa likod, though the older models also have spoiler, but this 2023 has more or less different impact as to the look and feel, no? Lalong-lalo na dito sa front grille. Okay, so parang medyo ito yung parang major na nabago dito. So I believe sa engine part, more or less same lang din naman sa previous model. So siguro sa lights, headlights, tapos sa rear lights, then yung panoramic view na makikita natin sa windshield. Alright, so the price of this is 729,000 pesos with a 20% down payment of 145,800, and for 5 years or 60 months 14,941, and then for 36 months 22,382. And you also have the option for the cash price. You can get this for 719,847. Plus, meron pang kasama doon na, or additional doon na LTO and insurance. Alright, so basically, this is from Toyota Tacloban City branch. So if you want to visit their showroom, you can book and test drive their unit para malaman nyo din yung condition or yung hatak ng sasakyan. So they have available units there. So ito yung sinasabi natin na panoramic view, in which available din doon sa other variants, no, like yung Toyota Yaris Cross. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Bye and God bless, and see you in the next video.